Are you preparing for Code Dala Ruth? So, here are some questions for acing your Code Dala Ruth exam. So, firstly, I'm going to talk about la basis de la signalization. So, what combination of shape and color signals an obligation? The blue round sign. So it is therefore the panel number 3 which require driving at a maximum of 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, so now I'm going to tell about the other panels. So the first panel indicates a recommended speed, the second a speed limited not to be exceeded, and finally the last panel indicate the entry into a 30 zone. So it is a set of streets where the maximum authorized speed is 30 kilometer. So at 200 I saw sign only complete the panel under which they are located with the exception. So the answer is a Jiritrua. The sign specifies that the roundabout is 200 meter away. The traffic light signaling doesn't have any sign. So it is therefore about 150 meter away since I am outside the built area. So our next question is I can turn right or left. So what does this sign indicate? The blue sign opposite require user to turn left. So I cannot turn right. So for the first option is we can turn right, no, but we can turn left, yes. So our next question is what does a speed limit is for 30 kilometer? So, up to the board, if a sign doesn't complete it, the limitation takes effect at a distance indicated by the sign. No sign is present under the prohibition sign. So, the speed limit is effective from this panel. So, this panel is a panel. So, our next question, like this signal, what it tells. So, a red circle indicates a ban. So the symbol inside specify that it is forbidden to turn left. So the answer is tourner à gauche à la prochaine intersection. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.